Do you end up with a bunch of tiny pieces when you scrap, like too small to do anything with? Well, we are going to use them up today. This is the layout I found, and guys, I totally crushed it this time. I went in to get a good color match to the Air and Space Museum page right across from it, but luckily most of the book so far has been in this kind of sepia tone because we did hit a lot of museums and that's just kind of what I was feeling. So I have plenty of little scraps to use up and they were stressing me out. Here they are, cut them all about the same length. I even used the distressor on the edges of some of them to get a different texture look, put them on one piece of paper to make them easy to move around, and got started. This being the Postal Museum, I knew I wanted that crinkly edge somewhere, so I found this die cut and decided to back my photos with it so they would look like they were on postage stamps. However, they were rectangles and they didn't quite fit, so I ended up cutting them to get them the right size for the photos that I'd already cut. Oops. I put them down on the page. I noticed that they don't pop at all, so I decided to find a bright, cheerful yellow to back them with, maybe too yellow. Let me know what you think in the comments. Check my other page for a good color match, and wait, where's the A? After a brief search, we decided just to get another one out of the pack. Crisis avoided. The title card. I wanted to use one of the postcards from the ephemera pack for the title card, and I love it. It turned out amazing with the second pass at it. Now, stickers. That's all I did. Forgot to film it. Put stickers all along that edge to kind of make it not so harsh and vertical. So this is a great one for using up all of your scraps. And if you have some just ephemera that you never use, if you're a sticker hoarder, this is a great one for just clearing out your stuff. So hope to see you next week on another video. Bye.